Your home's windows do more than just let in light, they play a major role in comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If you live in Des Allemands, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of everyday life, your windows take on even more responsibility. Over time, even the best windows wear out. Knowing when to replace them can save you money, improve your home's value, and make your living space more enjoyable. Here are the key signs it may be time to upgrade your home with replacement windows. Rising energy bills without explanation. If you've noticed your cooling costs climbing despite normal usage, your windows could be the culprit. Older or poorly sealed windows allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In a warm climate like Des Allemands, this can significantly increase energy consumption. New energy-efficient windows are designed to keep cool air inside and reduce strain on your system, helping you lower monthly bills. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. Do certain rooms feel hotter or more humid than others? Or do you notice drafts near your windows even when they're closed? These are clear indicators that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Over time, frames can warp and seals can break down, allowing outside air to seep in. Replacement windows provide a tighter seal, creating a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should operate smoothly and securely. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it's more than just an inconvenience, it can also be a safety issue. In humid areas like Des Allemands, moisture can cause wood frames to swell or hardware to corrode. Upgrading to modern replacement windows ensures easy operation and improved security features for your home. Visible damage or decay, cracked glass, rotting frames, or water damage are signs that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Ignoring these issues can lead to bigger problems, such as mold growth or structural damage around the window area. New windows not only fix these concerns but also provide stronger protection against the elements. Excessive outside noise. If you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity even with your windows closed, your current windows may lack proper insulation. Replacement windows with advanced glass technology can significantly reduce noise, making your home quieter and more relaxing, something many homeowners in busy or growing areas appreciate. Condensation between glass panes. Fogging or condensation trapped between panes is a sign that the seal in your double or triple pane windows has failed. Once this happens, the window loses its insulating properties. Not only does this affect energy efficiency, but it also impacts visibility and appearance. Replacing these windows restores both function and clarity. Outdated appearance. Your windows contribute greatly to your home's overall look. If they appear worn, outdated, or mismatched, they can bring down your property's curb appeal. Upgrading to modern designs can instantly refresh your home's exterior and even increase its resale value. With a wide range of styles and finishes available, it's easier than ever to find windows that complement your home's character. Storm and weather concerns. Living in Des Allemands means being prepared for unpredictable weather. Older windows may not provide the protection needed during storms or heavy rain. New replacement windows are often built with stronger materials and improved impact resistance, giving you greater peace of mind during severe conditions. The bottom line: replacing your windows is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and safety. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider replacement windows. By upgrading, you'll not only improve your day-to-day living experience but also protect your home for years to come.